Are you unable to install apps on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to network issues, software bugs, or problems with your iPhone connection. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to install apps on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you're connected to your internet network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You're using the same Wi-Fi on your iPhone as well as your Apple Watch. You have a stable internet connection and you have to turn on and then turn off airplane mode. Make sure that you're using the same Apple ID on both your Apple Watch and iPhone. After doing these things, follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the storage app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General. Check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Reset all. Solution 3. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple's Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. Hope you got the proper solution to fix the issue where you are unable to install apps on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.